RomeroUK replica. I have a magnet on this side, magnet on that side, and then some plastic between. I have a small little timing magnet on the rim. These are 20mm magnets. Here's the rotor. The stator. It's wire coils with sewing machine bobbins, ferrite cores sticking out the back. Each one has a full wave bridge rectifier and a cap. The motor coil positions was here, here. When I took them out, I was going to make motor coils with great big pickup lines behind them. These are generator coils. Ferrite sticks out just a little bit. What I'd like to do with this is, instead of coils straight across, have them offset a little bit. Like I'm doing with my rotors, except do it with the coils. I wonder what will happen if I can get rid of some lens law. I put magnets behind these coils like RomeroUK did, and it worked pretty good. I have a video 40-second showing it speed up with the coils shorted out. So anyways, here's this. I'd like to just spin this as a generator as it is with a rotoverter. Just put the rotor in and spin it. Don't use motor coils, just use it as a pure generator. I'll probably be doing that soon. Okay, thanks for watching.